Welcome back to another tutorial video. This one is for the Anvil chorus for the recorder. And just like with the O Fortuna video, which I will take a look at with you during club, this one is another little kind of video to show you how to practice by yourself. All right, well, first of all, here we have the song Anvil chorus. And just like with the other one, we have the same tools. You have a play button and a pause button. You can click and drag to start anywhere in the song you like. You can change the speed of the song. And we're going to be playing the basic recorder part. So you click where it says basic recorder, and that's the one we're going to be doing the whole time. Great, now you can have it on loop. You can make it full screen if you like so you can see it. And I'm going to leave it on full screen this time. You can add a metronome, which is really helpful. So clicking this little symbol. And then we're going to be, let's see. We're just going to take away the lyrics so that it's a little bit less confusing. And I'm only going to show the basic recorder part. So this is something you can do on your own in the gear on the bottom right. You can click the settings and make sure for where it says basic recorder, it's all orange. And above where it says the other words, it's all grayed out. And to make it even easier for you, I can make it horizontal, zoom it in, so it's nice and big, easy to see. And we're gonna try it out now. So this is 100% speed. So why don't we make it a little slower? Let's make it 90% speed as well. All right, so here we have it. This is a good setup. So if you want to copy this setup, again, it's basic recorder, 90%, and then the edit, the settings are a little different. So if you want to copy my settings, so make everything orange, that I have orange up here. And let's hear what that sounds like. I've got my recorder ready. I'll play along. The only problem with that, oh, and it looped back. The only problem with that is it's hard to see what's happening next. So if you do this one on the left, where it says fluid, it's easier because it'll follow the music like this. And as you can hear, the recorder is playing along with you. A, G, A, B, A, G, 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 B, 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 A, G. There you have it. All right, and if you wanted to, you could also do the play along, which will not play the recorder part. So you can play basically like a karaoke track. You can always make it slower if you need more time to practice. And just for fun, you could also turn on the piano, which will show your part as long as your part is over here in the bottom. Check it out. This is pretty cool. It shows it right here. As you can see, it's showing which notes. That's an A, and a B, and a G. You get the idea? I hope this is helpful for the Anvil chorus.